चौपानी मांडो, महगरा, कोल्डी हवा, लहुरा देव, मिर्ज़ापुर और सोनभद्र। ये न्यूलिथिक साइट्स हैं यूपी की। न्यूलिथिक एज started in 9000 BC in the world context, but in Indian context it was varying from 7000 BC to 1000 BC. It is varying from 7000 BC to 1000 BC. It is mainly characterized by the development of settled agriculture and the use of tools and weapons made of polished stones, and Uttar Pradesh has an important place in Neolithic period. Important Neolithic sites of UP: Chopani Mando. It is located in the Belan Valley in Prayagraj district of Uttar Pradesh. Excavations of the site have Excavations of the site have revealed circular and oval settlements. Oval settlements means Andakar settlement मान बस्ती containing hearths, HEARTHS.
Hearths. Hearths.
Hearths means chulha. Handmade cord. Look at the cord. What is cord? Rassi. Handmade cord.
Cord.
Impressed pottery, evidence of rise, as well as microliths. So this is all about the Chopani Mando. The next site is Mahgara. Mahgara is located in Belan Valley of Uttar Pradesh and unearthed. Unearthed का मतलब होता है पता लगाया, and unearthed, UNEARTHED, the layout of village alongside cattle domestication. Megara revealed distinctive pottery including cord, CORD मतलब वही रस्सी, impressed rusticated, RUSTICATED, and burnished wares, WARES.
Distinctive.
Distinctive means होता है clearly different from others and therefore easy to recognize.
Distinctive.
Like option, for example, the soldiers were wearing their distinctive red berets.
The soldiers were wearing their distinctive red berets.
Berets, BERETS.
The soldiers were wearing their distinctive red berets. The soldiers were wearing their distinctive red berets.
So Megara revealed distinctive pottery including cord, impressed, rusticated. RUSTICATE. Rusticate means to make something rustic in style, to make it simple or old-fashioned in a way typical of the countryside. For example, the little town is sloping jumble of rusticated houses. Rusticated stone consists of large blocks with deep lines between them and rough appearance. Okay, so the judge chapel was built of rusticated sandstone. So this is all about the rusticate.
Rusticate.
So Meghara revealed distinctive pottery, including cord, rusticated and burnie said wares. बर्नी सेड वेयर्स का मतलब होता है जला हुआ सामान या जले हुए बर्तन कह सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज कोल्डी हवा. दिस साइट इज ऑल्सो लोकेटेड along बिलन वैली इन प्रयागराज एंड नोन फॉर एविडेंस ऑफ राइस कल्टिवेशन. सेकेंड पॉइंट है एविडेंस ऑफ फ्रेगमेंटेड बोन्स, wheat and millet is found here. Okay, next is Lahura Dev, LAHURADEWA, located in Sant Kabir Nagar district in important district in is an important Neolithic site. It is known as earliest site of rice cultivation in the Indian subcontinent. The last one is Mirzapur and Sonbhadra. Neolithic tools and weapons have been unearthed in Mirzapur and Sonbhadra district. So conclusion is Neolithic was a very important stage of history of human culture when humans were no longer dependent entirely on nature but had started to exploit nature to their own advantage.